Okay. Simula na tayo?
Sige, okay lang, sir.
Okay guys, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Paul de Guzman, Pilipinas.
Pilipinas, okay.
Morning po sa inyong lahat. No? Good evening for those of you who are in the Philippines, and good day po for those of you who are all over the world, no? The rest of the world. Meron tayo dyan from Australia, from the Middle East, no? Welcome back once again to our Digital Biz presentation. And we hope, no, we can give you something na makaka-excite sa inyo, something that would give you hope, no, ng pag-asa that we can still have an opportunity that could potentially be a breakthrough in our life, no, yung pwedeng baguhin, no, in a snap yung takbo ng ating buhay at kabuhayan, no, lalo na ngayon in our fast-changing world na nabubuhay tayo with a lot of financial struggles dahil nagmamahala na po lahat ng mga bilihin, no? Ang taas-taas na inflation natin. Yung iba sa inyo baka hindi na makaagapay do sa mga bills nyo, no? Sa mga puro utang na lang yung binabayaran natin, no? So something has to change, and the change is coming, no? Through this business opportunity. Something big is about to come, especially in this particular company na nagbibigay sa atin ng napakagandang opportunity. So hindi ko na po patatagalin. Let's get started. Let's all welcome our very dynamic host, no? Ang ating pong mega host of all time. Wala pong iba kundi ang ating passionate leader ng Thrivers Legacy, founder of his own team, Thrivers Champions and Thrivers Eagles. Let's all welcome Manager 3 Stars, Mr. Anton Sebastian.
Hello, thank you so much, Sir Paul. No, welcome everyone. No, kamusta po kayo? Great morning po sa lahat. No, and great afternoon po diyan sa Pilipinas. No, at magandang buhay po around the world. And welcome and happy Money Monday po sa lahat na nandito ngayon at mga nanonood sa atin sa Facebook. Papasukin po natin ang blessing sa inyong tahanan at kung saan man po kayo naroroon, at lahat po ng mga participants natin, no, na nandito ngayon, no, at lahat ng nanonood ngayon sa Facebook po, no, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, ano. Ang tanong ko po sa inyo, sa lahat na nakikinig ngayon sa akin, ano po ba ang bago na meron tayo? Ano bang bago na meron ka? Siguro baka meron kang bagong bag, bagong cellphone, bagong damit, bagong sasakyan, ano, Sir Paul? Bagong trabaho, katulad ni Sir Paul, no? Bagong bahay, o ano ba yung nagbago pagdating din sa ating financial outlook natin sa buhay, no? Kung naghahanap po kayo ng pagbabago para magkaroon tayo ng extra income, nais nyo po bang kumita, no? Habang nasa bahay tayo, habang inaalagaan ninyo ang inyong pamilya, no? Alam niyo po guys, sa Zoom meeting na ito na ipapakita namin sa inyo, makikita nyo how we found an amazing business na maaring magpabago ng ating buhay, at ngayon po ay nakatulong ng malaki sa amin, ano, at sa aming pamilya at sa lahat po ng taong bumuo at ginagawa at sinimulan itong negosyong ito. Marami na rin po ang aming natulungan sa pamamagitan ng amazing business na ito, no? Ako nga po pala si Anton Sebastian, isang Batanggenyong Bulakenyo, tubong Pilipinas po, no? At sa kasalukuyan po ay nandito ako sa bansang England, no, United Kingdom. Ako rin po ay isang ama at nagtatrabaho bilang isang nurse. At ngayon po I'm a proud entrepreneur of this business, no? Gaya nyo rin po, napakarami ko ring pangarap, no? Napakarami ko ring pangarap para sa aking pamilya, at nais ko rin pong bigyan ng maraming atensyon ang aking mga anak at ang misis ko, syempre, na si Cone, at ma-spend ko rin yung quality time para sa kanila. Kung ang pangarap nyo ay katulad din ng pangarap ko, no, you are in the right business. Alam mo, hindi ko na po patatagalin. If you're someone who is coachable, teachable, may sipag, may tiyaga, may determinasyon, at kung kayo po ay seryosong naghahanap ng pagbabago to grow and learn new skills, and if you believe that you are worth what you are being paid for, baka ito na po, no, ang sagot sa lahat ng mga tanong na inyong iniisip at inaalam, no. Hindi ko na po patatagalin. I'd like to introduce to you, no, a very special gentleman and very special to my heart, no. Grabe, no. The director, 1-star, no? Siya po ay isang NARS din, no? NARS dito sa England, no? At mahigit na 20 3 taon na siyang nagtatrabaho bilang isang nurse dito sa England. Please help me in welcoming the presenter of all time. Kasi kanina megastar yung sinabi niya, no? The presenter of all time, Mr. Paul De Guzman, aka Mr. Show Me the Money. The screen is yours, Sir Paul. Take it away. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Sana wag magduda si Ma'am Connie sa ating dalawa, no? Welcome to our Digital Biz presentation once again, no? Maraming salamat po for joining us today. I'm sure meron kayong mga importanteng bagay na ginagawa sa buhay, no, on a daily basis, pero don't worry, we will make sure na hindi po kayo magsisisi for giving us at least an hour of your time, no. Pakinggan nyo lang po, no, at panoorin yung mga ipapakita ko sa inyo. I don't want you to miss out on any critical information, no. That information could be that information that will make you understand itong negosyo natin, or it could also be the information na na-miss out nyo, so hindi nyo maintindihan yung ating negosyo, no? Ma-miss out ninyo. Sabi nga ni Sir Anton, no, bago, no? We will give you something na bago, no? Have you ever been part of a bagong opportunity, no? Yung bagong opportunity na feeling mo pwedeng maging successful in the future, no? So meron kang choice na dapat gawin. You either become part of it and celebrate that success later on, o kaya nag-decide ka na, ay wag na lang, no, baka kasi scam yan, or nagdududa ka, no, so hindi ka naging part of it, and then later on nalaman mo lumaki pala yung negosyo na yun, no? You should have become part of it. It was an opportunity that got away from you, no? So ngayon nanghihinayang ka, nagsisisi ka, di ba? So yun lang yung magiging choices natin ngayon pag pinakita ko tong opportunity na to, no? Either you become part of it and celebrate later, or no, you ignore the opportunity and probably regret that, no? As that will be your biggest regret in life, di ba? Sayang, kumbaga, di ba? O kaya mapapasana all ka na lang, di ba? So papakita ko po sa opportunity na to, but disclaimer lang po, no? Lahat po ng papakita ko information are purely for educational purposes only. This is not in any way an invitation to purchase or to become part of this opportunity, no? Yan pong desisyon na yan ay nakasalalay po sa inyo, at magiging success nyo po dito sa negosyo is of course entirely up to you. Pero makakatanggap ka ng tulong and coaching and mentoring from the people who are already doing the business, or from the people who are already successful in this opportunity. Okay? Handa na po ba kayong marinig itong opportunity na to? Ang kahiligan ko lang po sa inyo, please keep an open mind, no? Kasi pagka bukas po ang isipan natin, nakakakita tayo ng natututo tayo ng mga bagong skills, napapansin natin yung mga bagong opportunity sa buhay, no? At nakakakita tayo ng mas maraming options sa atin, no? Yung mga time na akala natin wala na tayong option, no? Dahil nakatutok lang tayo sa trabaho, feeling mo wala kang pagpipilian. Meron po, napakarami po natin pagpipilian, pero yun po mangyayari lang kung bubuksan natin yung ating isipan, no? Sabi nga po ng mga pinaka-successful tao sa mundo, what separates you and the things that you want in life is your willingness to change your mindset, no? Yung minsan, yung simpleng pag open lang, buksan nyo lang yung isipan nyo for new opportunities, yun na, paparating na yung opportunity yung hinihintay natin at matagal nating pinagdadasal, di ba? So ang gagawin ko po ngayon, I will give you a quick overview of the business, no? 4 minutes lang po itong video na to, pero I assure you, maintindihan nyo po itong opportunity, malalaman nyo kung ano yung company na magbibigay sa atin, at malalaman nyo kung paano tayo kikita out of this opportunity. And then I will expound on the most important part of the business after this video. Okay? So sit back and relax, and panoorin po natin itong video na ito.
Welcome to our 4-minute presentation about C1. Firstly, I would like to remind you about our disclaimer. We are not an investment company or a trading company or a cryptocurrency company. With us, you take full responsibility for your own financial situation. Now, let's get into a brief overview. What is C1 and what is our company's mission? You may have heard of big names like Alibaba or Amazon, and today I will use them as examples to help you understand what we are doing. I will also reference other popular companies like Uber and Booking.com. What do all these platforms have in common? They all require customers to be successful, and they use various methods to attract them, such as advertising on Google, TV, magazines, and billboards. Customers are incentivized by these platforms to buy products or services, resulting in revenue for the company. For instance, when a customer orders an Uber, the company earns a commission while the driver receives the rest of the fare. Similarly, Booking.com takes a cut when a customer books a hotel through their platform. These businesses operate as referral platforms, providing other companies with a channel to sell their products without actually owning the products themselves. Uber doesn't own any taxis, and Booking.com doesn't own any hotels. In essence, the main goal is simply to refer customers to the products and service providers. Now we've arrived at C1. What is C1? C1 is actively using the network industry, also known as referral system, in order to build our own crowd. In other words, we are building a huge customer base. How do we do this? By network marketing. Why? It's the best, easiest, and most cost-efficient way to reach customers while enabling other businesses to make money. Meanwhile, C1 has 50-plus million members in 150-plus countries united in the last 4 years. C1 offers a range of products and services, including our own travel agency, Travelia, similar to Booking.com. Customers can book hotels and vacations at great prices and even earn benefits from the hotel's reward program. Moreover, C1 is not just a travel agency, but also an educational platform. While basic education is necessary, investing in supplemental education and knowledge outside of traditional schooling is crucial for making real money. We offer 2 education platforms, Tigra, which includes a crypto academy where you can learn about trends, trading, and blockchain, and Mindo, which provides knowledge in multiple languages for both personal and business development. You can even offer your own knowledge to other C1 members. In addition to education, we also have the Metaverse Trade to Earn game, where you can learn to trade in a virtual world and earn real money. Planet IX is our top game on the Polygon blockchain, with thousands of active players building a better world and making extra money. Lastly, we have Emperor Night, a state-of-the-art game similar to Candy Crush, where you can earn shares and millions of gamers are waiting for the opportunity to share to earn. Our platform presents a unique opportunity for our customers and members to access everything they desire in one place. You can conveniently book your hotel from the comfort of your own office, participate in educational programs, and play to earn, all through C1. Moreover, the profit earned by C1 is not entirely for the company itself. It is directed back to the C1 system, which is designed to benefit active members. That's not all. Our company is soon launching its own token, the C1 token. All active C1 members will receive free access to these tokens. This token will not only have value through our existing ecosystem with over 50 million members, but it will also have usability through our products. We have created a token value pool with IXT tokens and are adding more value through our product's profits to this pool. This token launch is unprecedented and sets a new standard in the industry. At C1, we are using past referral platforms in the industry as blueprints to create something bigger. We are offering the best compensation plan in the industry with multiple income opportunities, including a huge residual income. Our company is dedicated to providing not only the best products and services, but also real benefits to our customers and members that can improve their daily lives. This is C1.
Great video. No? That's your business in 4 minutes. No, that's the way we want you to do this business opportunity. No, if you know how to send this video to your friends and families, no, then you are qualified to do this business opportunity. No, a great company. Nakilala na natin. No, in just 4 minutes, with 50 million members and has had a phenomenal growth since 2019. No, number 1 po tayo, and we made a lot of companies, yung companies products number 1. Isang example na po dyan yung Planet IX natin, the number 1 blockchain-based strategy game in the world, no? Under Polygon Network, no? Kung nagawa natin yan sa Planet IX, magagawa natin yan in any product na ipopromote ng ating C1 platform, no? At yan po ang pag-uusapan natin today. We will focus on that one big product na ilo-launch po ng company very soon, no? Again, I'd like to emphasize this is established company already, no? Launching a big product na hindi natin dapat ma-miss out, no? Ano nga ba yung product na yan? Yung product na yan ay tinatawag na...
With us, you take full responsibility for your own financial situation. Now, let's get into a brief overview. What is C1 and what?
Nag-post po yung video ko. Okay, yung product po na yan ay tinatawag na C1 token. And we want everybody to get ready for this. Now, wag po natin hintayin yung official launching natin. No? Let's get ready now, no, para pag-launch itong C1 token natin, no, we are all set, we are ready. Hindi po tayo mahuhuli, hindi tayo pupulutin sa kangkungan, no. Ito pong C1 token, ang susi natin para sa C1 token natin, C1 token ito, itong business opportunity natin. Wherein the company will ask us to purchase one of their tinatawag na NFT element package, no, yung earth, yung air, yung water, yung fire, o yung fifth element package natin. Yung C1 token na to will be the most valuable token pool in the world. Ang target ng company is to make it as one of the 5 major cryptocurrency players in the world, no, next to Bitcoin, next to Ethereum, no, at marami pang iba. We will also become the number 1 Polygon blockchain base, no? Hindi na po eksperimento to, nagawa na natin yan dun sa IXT token ng Planet IX, magagawa natin yan with our C1 token as well. Okay? So, paano nga ba tayo magiging part itong business na to? All we need to do is to purchase one of our C1 NFT element packages. Nandyan po yung earth, yung air, yung water, yung fire. These packages will bring us to the industry that this company is tapping on, no, yung industriya ng Web3, ng crypto, ng blockchain, at ng metaverse, and we use the network marketing system to distribute these products and services. Ano nga ba yung mga packages na yan, no? First, let's talk about the Earth package, no? Ang presyo po ng Earth package natin is only 129 euros or 7,700 pesos. Marami na po tayong makukuha dyan because this is powered by all the products and services na nakita nyo po dun sa 4-minute video na yon. Pero, I'd like to emphasize again na ang pinaka-importanting parte po ng package na to ay yung NFT natin na Earth NFT plus yung C1 token na makukuha natin out of that package, no? Malalaman natin mamaya kung ilan yung C1 token na yan, no? Pero yung Earth NFT is also very important dahil Genesis Generation NFT yan or non-fungible token. Ibig sabihin, it's a digital asset na yung value po niya ay mag-i-increase over time. Okay? So yan po yung Earth package natin. Yan po yung pinakasimpleng package that you can get, no, in order to start this business opportunity and start making a lot of money here. Pero pwede ka rin magsimula on a bigger package, no, if you want to maximize your earning potential. Nandiyan po yung air package natin for only 319 euros or more or less mga 20,000 pesos. Depende po sa conversion ng euros, no, at that time na binili nyo po yung package na yan. Now, anong difference ng air sa earth package? Dalawa yung NFT mo dito. Meron kang earth tsaka yung air NFT, and of course, you will get more C1 token plus the other products and services ng ating company. If you get the water package, 819 euros po yan or 50,000 pesos. Tatlong NFT na po ang makukuha natin including the water NFT, and you get more C1 token. And lastly, yung fire package natin, ang pinakamalaking package natin, that will cost you around 2,519 euros or 150,000 pesos. Makukuha nyo na po yung 4 na kapangyarihan ng NFT na yan, no? You have the power of the NFT of earth, air, water, and fire, no? Para ka ng Encantadia, di ba? Plus, you get the maximum number of C1 token, plus longer subscription dun sa mga products and services natin. So, yan po yung 4 na packages na pwede natin pagpilian para masimulan natin itong negosyo na to, no? Because if we want to become financially successful sa negosyo na to, we need to become part of this business, no? So, you have earth, air, water, and fire. If you are to ask me kung ano ba yung pinakamagandang package, I would always say to you na yung pinakamalaking package dahil dyan, maximize mo na yung earning potential mo, no? With a fire package. Pero kung merong problema sa affordability, no, merong kang budget constraint, no, pwede ka na magsimula on an earth package, tapos later on pagka kumikita ka na, pwede mong upgrade yan dun sa mas malaking package, no, and every now and again meron pang promotion yung company that gives you free upgrade to the next bigger package, no, so take advantage of those, di ba? So yan po ang paraan upang makapasok tayo dito sa negosyo. That will be the key para magmay-ari tayo ng mga C1 token na yon, okay? Now, yung company, as I've said, no, very generous. Every now and again may promo. Ngayon, merong promotion that you can take advantage of, no? Pero ang bad news, 2 days na lang po itong promotion na to. Kaya wag na po kayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa, no? Take advantage of this promotion. Tinawag po itong epic promotion wherein the company gives you an upgrade to the next bigger package for free. Anong ibig sabihin yan? If you purchase an earth package, the company will give you an air package. Pagka bumili ka naman ng air package, the company will give you a water package. If you purchase the water package, the company gives you an upgrade to the fire package for free, no? At pagka kumuha ka naman ng fire package, the company have released a limited edition package na tinatawag nilang Fifth Element package where you get more C1 token and more NFT, no? So yun ang makukuha mo, yung Fifth Element package for the price of a fire package. Extended po tong promotion na to, no? This would have ended in last October 15, pero generous po ang company natin. Meron pa tayo hanggang 22nd of November, no? So wag na natin palampasin tong opportunity na to. Now, ano bang advantage pagka meron tayong upgrade for free? You get the maximum C1 token power, no? Kasi nakadepende sa package mo yung number of C1 token na makukuha mo dito sa negosyo na to. Okay? So, let's talk about the C1 token, no? Pag-usapan natin tong token pool na to. Ilang C1 token ba ang makukuha ko, no, corresponding to the package na pinurchase ko? Ito na po, no? With the Earth package, you will get an airdrop of 1,000 C1 token. Pag air package naman, you'll get an airdrop of 2,500 C1 tokens. Pag water package, 7,500. Pagka fire naman, meron kang 20,000 C1 tokens. Pagka fifth element package ka, you'll get 35,000 C1 tokens. Ang laki, di po ba? Now, paano ba natin ito ma-visualize into something valuable, no? Paano ba natin ito mako-convert into cash, no? This is what I'd like you to do, no? Use your imagination. Remember Bitcoin, no? In 2009, ang value po ng isang Bitcoin is only 50 pesos, no? Some of us or most of us hindi naniwala, no? Sabi natin, scam lang yan, no? Baka trend lang yan, mawawala din after a couple of months, after 6 months, or after 1 year, no? Pero 14 years later, 2023 na, magkano na ang isang Bitcoin? Alam niyo po ba kung magkano? More or less mga $37,000, no? Convert niyo na lang sa peso, ibig sabihin milyonaryo na dapat kayo ngayon if you have purchased a 50 pesos Bitcoin in 2009, no? So swerte yung mga naniwala, yung hindi nagduda, no? Ito yung sinasabi ko, no? Na it's either magduda ka o magsisi ka, di ba? So yan po yung kahalagahan ng imagination natin. I don't want you to think of the now, but I want you to think of the later, yung future. For example, nilaunch ang C1 token natin. Very soon na yan. Halimbawa, ang value lang ng isang C1 token ay 1 cent lang. Ibig sabihin, meron kang 1,000 cents or mga $100 or something like that, no? Ngayon, pagka meron kang 2,500, meron kang 2,500 cents. Paano naman kung after 1 year, ang value na ng isang C1 token ay $1 na lang ang pag-usapan natin, no? Hindi na $37,000. $1 na lang. Ibig sabihin yung 1,000 C1 tokens mo magiging $1,000. At yung 35,000 C1 token mo naman on a fifth element package could potentially, no, will be valued at $35,000 pag umabot ng $1 yung value ng ating C1 token. Posible bang umabot ng $1? Of course. Posible pang umabot ng more than that. Could be $100 kasi nga nangyari yan sa C1 sa Bitcoin, nangyari din yan sa ibang major cryptocurrency natin like Ethereum, for example, yung mga Binance, di ba? O yung BNB na tinatawag, di ba? So, yan po ang kahalagahan, no, na makita natin yung value ng mga digital asset na ito. Now, the company is giving you until November 22, no, para ma-avail itong great promotion na ito ng company, which gives you a multiplier naman to, no? Ibig sabihin, higit pa doon sa mga nakikita nyong number of C1 tokens na makukuha nyo, no? Let me tell you, if you purchase this C1 NFT element package before November 22, ito mangyayari. If you purchase an Earth package, you will receive a 3 times multiplier. Ibig sabihin, yung 1,000 C1 token na airdrop nyo will be multiplied by 3. Pagka naman yung Air package, 4 times multiplier yan. Pagka naman water package, 6 times multiplier. Pagka fire, 8 times multiplier. Pagka fifth element package, 10 times multiplier ang ating makukuha. So napakalaki po na magiging number of C1 tokens na makukuha natin, di ba? Ngayon, after November, some of you probably have joined this company in 2019, no? Natatandaan nyo yung mga time na nagko-collecta tayo araw-araw ng mga crowd 1 rewards, no? And then later on, we got disappointed dahil hindi natin alam kung paano ba magiging mako-convert yan into something valuable, no? Now, hindi na tayo madi-disappoint because crowd 1 rewards and also later on yung loyalty points na kinokolekta natin will now be burned and converted to C1 token din, no? So now you can see the value of our crowd 1 rewards, no? So whether ang package mo yung C1 NFT element package o yung mga white bronze white black, no, gold and titanium na package, makaka-receive ka na rin ng C1 token through your Crowd1 rewards and loyalty points. How do we do that, no? If after November 22, no, hindi ka pa naka-purchase ng NFT element package natin, meron kang tatlong options, okay? Ano yung tatlong options na yan? If you are on the old package, yung white, black, gold, and titanium, for free, wala kang babayaran, you will get 10% of the base C1 token when your Crowd1 rewards is converted into C1 token. Pero meron tayong second option. Magbayad ka lang ng 19 euros na administrative fee. Yung C1 token conversion from your Crowd1 rewards will be doubled, no? So magkakaroon ka ng 2 times multiplier. Pero yung third option yung pinakamaganda. If you wish to upgrade to an element pack, tapos magbayad ka ng 19 euros for administrative fee, bibigyan ka pa ng opportunity ng company na makuha mo yung 3 times up to 10 times multiplier depending on the package na purchase mo, di ba? Ang daming option na binigay sa atin ng company. It's now up to you mamili kung anong option ang pipiliin natin. Okay? Now, the company is so generous, binigyan tayo ng maraming opportunity to generate more C1 token, no? Siyempre, ang goal natin dito, paramihin yung ating C1 token, no? The company has launched this referral club competition. At dito iikot yung negosyo natin, no? Because this is a referral business. Basically, magre-refer tayo ng ating mga friends and families, no? Pero ito yung motivation ng company sa atin. Ito yung competition na binigay sa atin ng company. We can be one of the top 1,000, no, na mag-sign up to sign up new members. We can be one of those who will share in the 50 million C1 tokens na ibibigay ng company, no? Depende yan kung ano yung position mo doon sa 1,000, you will receive corresponding number of C1 tokens. Pero ang total po niyan, 50 million po yung pamimigay na C1 token ng ating company. As for the referral system, binigyan din tayo ng 6 na paraan upang kumita dito sa negosyo na to. For example, nandiyan yung crowd bonus natin, yung matching bonus, yung fear of loss bonus natin, yung residual bonus, and you also have the sales bonus, and yung play to earn natin, no? Habang naglalaro tayo, pwede tayong kumita through the Planet IX, yung Emperor Knights, tsaka yung soon to be launched na product ng company na Metaverse. Pero sa ngayon, mag-focus tayo dun sa referral system, no? Let's talk about the 4 different kinds of bonuses. Unahin natin yung crowd bonus. Crowd bonus is also known as the binary bonus. Dito kumikita tayo based on the purchase of the C1 NFT packages, no? So dito yung part na mag-i-invite tayo ng ating mga kaibigan at mga kakilala. So every time na may papasok sa negosyo natin through our invitation, nakakakuha tayo ng tinatawag na BP or binary points, or iba ang tawag dyan ay business points. Yung mga business points na yan ang pagbabasihan kung magkano ibabayad sa atin ng company na crowd bonus, no? So bawat package ay may corresponding na BP. For example, if we purchase an earth package, meron niyang 55 BP. Pag air package naman, 150 BP. Pag water, 400. Pagka fire naman, 1,250 BP yan. So ibig sabihin, if our referrals purchase an earth package, we can potentially earn from 110 BP up to 220 BP. Pag convert mo yan into crowd bonus, kunin mo lang yung 10%, no? Makukuha mo na yung value in euros, which is 11 euros up to 22 euros. Obviously, pag mas malaking package, mas malaki yung BP, mas malaki yung euros na kikitain mo na crowd bonus. For example, pag fire package ang kinuha ng mga nirefer mo, 2,500 up to 5,000 BP, ang ibig sabihin, pwede tayong kumita ng 250 up to 500 euros. Kung hindi mo pa rin naiintindihan, let's make you understand it better. Ilagay natin yung mga BP na yan sa ating binary structure. Pag sali mo sa negosyo, tatawagin kang member or affiliate, bibigyan ka ng company ng space computer program ng company that will monitor all your business transactions. Business transactions sa kaliwa, tsaka business transactions dun sa kanan. Kaya nga tinawag na binary. Now, paano kakikita ng crowd bonus? Babayaran tayo ng company based on 1-to-1 ratio. Pag meron ka na raw direct referral sa kaliwa at direct referral doon sa kanan, babayaran ka na ng company ng binary bonus. Depende kung anong package na kinuha nila. For example, yung nasa left at right mo, bumili ng earth package, meron kang 55 sa left at 55 sa right. Ang total niyan is 110 BP, di ba? So kunin mo yung 10% niyan, yun ang matatanggap mo na crowd bonus, which is equivalent to 11 euros, no? So, dyan mo na maririnig yung unang catching mo, no? Yan yung unang bonus mo dito sa negosyo. Pero hindi natatapos yan. Dahil yung mga nirefer mo, para sila kumita, kailangan din nila mag-refer. Siyempre, i-refer nila, pwedeng hindi mo nakakilala at hindi kaibigan, di ba? Halimbawa, yung nasa left, nag-refer ng kaibigan sa left, tapos yung sa kanan naman, nag-refer ng kaibigan at ilagay niya sa kanan, no? Hindi mo kakilala, pero dahil kumuha sila ng Earth package din, meron ka na namang 110 DP, kumita ka na naman ng another 11 euros. Ito pa yung mas exciting. Nag-refer yung hindi mo kakilala ng kaibigan niya from another part of the world. Halimbawa sa UK, nurse, no? Kumuha din ng Earth package. Tapos yung nasa kanan naman, kumuha ng kaibigan niya na taga-Australia, kumuha din ng Earth package, meron ka na namang 110 DP, kumita ka na naman ng 11 euros from the transaction, no, sa ibayong dagat, di ba? London saka Australia yan. Hindi ka naman napunta doon pero meron kang parang franchise doon, di ba? So nag-expand yung negosyo mo doon. E paano pa kung yung tatlo mo sa kaliwa, tatlo sa kanan, mag-refer pa ng people from different parts of the world. International na yung negosyo natin. Basta for every 1:1, no, kahit gaano pa lumaki yung organization mo, meron kang 660 pesos dyan or equivalent to 11 euros. Di ba? So, yan po yung 1-to-1. E paano? Kung sa binary concept, hindi magpantay, no? Siyempre, hindi man palaging 1-to-1 yan dahil sometimes mas malaki yung nasa left mo o mas madami yung nasa kanan mo. Don't worry dahil meron din tayong 1:2. So 1:2, halimbawa nauna yung dalawa sa kanan, combination ng direct or indirect referral mo, tsaka ka nagpasok na isa sa kaliwa, 1:2 yan, di ba? So sa ibang company, babayaran ka sa 1:1 lang, tapos itong isa dito, kailangan pa maghintay ng katapat doon sa kabila. Pero dito, wala nang hintayin mangyayari, bayaran tayo ng company sa tatlong transaction, total of 165 BP, kung puro Earth package lang kinuha nila, meron kang 16.5 euros or 990 pesos na mapupunta doon sa personal account balance mo na nandun sa mobile phone mo, no? Kaya importante po yung mobile phone natin dito, no? Negosyo po ito na nasa mobile phone natin. Now, bukod sa 1:2, meron din tayong 1:3. Halimbawa, nauna yung tatlo doon sa kanan, saka ka nagpasok ng isa sa kaliwa, babayaran pa rin lahat ng company yan depending on the package na binili nila. Kung puro Earth package, meron kang 220 BP, bayaran ka ng company ng 22 euros. E paano naman kung puro air package ang kinuha nila? E di mas malaki yung crowd bonus mo, 60 euros or 3,600 pesos, lalo na pag water package, 160 yan or 9,600 pesos, at lalo na kung fire package ang kinuha nila, meron kang 500 euros or 30,000 pesos na tumataginting, no? Hindi lang yan ang tumataginting. Tataginting din yung organization mo dahil meron ka ng 4 na members ng team mo at lalaki pa yan exponentially dahil kayong 5 mag-sign up ng tigli-5, no? Additional 25 people. Yung 25 people, mag-sign up ng tigli-5, additional 125 yan and it will become 625 and then so on and so forth. Habang lumalaki yung organization mo, ano pa yung lumalaki, no? Yung mata mo dahil lumalaki din yung kita mo, di ba? So, exponential din yung growth ng income natin. Kaya dito sa negosyo natin, meron kaming kasabihan, no? It's not the people you know, but it's the people they know. Kahit konti lang kakilala mo, pupasok ka pa rin dito dahil yung konting kakilala mo, baka napakaraming kakilala niyan, di ba? The next way to earn, tinatawag na, nangyari. Ito pa, no? Bukod sa yung binary bonus na matatanggap natin from the company is giving us another opportunity to generate more C1 token through the double bonus reward system. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Bawat binary bonus na kikitain natin, tatapatan niya ng company ng corresponding C1 token, no? Kumita tayo ng 50 euros, meron tayong 50 C1 tokens na makukuha from the company. Okay? Now, the second way to earn dito sa negosyo na to, yung matching bonus na tinatawag, no? Ano yung matching bonus? Dito binibigyan tayo ng additional 10% ng company base sa kinikita ng mga direct referrals natin, yung mga ni-refer natin, no? So, dito nakadepende sa package na binili mo at number ng direct referrals mo. Halimbawa, matching bonus level 1. Earth package ang kailangan mo, dapat meron kang 5 direct referrals, meron kang 10% na kikitain, depende kung magkano yung kinikita ng 5. Kung yung 5 kumikita ng tigwa 100, di 500 yon, kunin mo yung 10%, yun yung matching bonus mo. Pero pag Earth package ka lang, hanggang dun ka lang kikita ng 10% sa first level mo. Kung gusto mo pa nang kumita ng 10% on other levels, halimbawa sa second level, kailangan yung Earth package mo maging air package na, no? Pero hindi yan mandatory, no? Optional po yan kung gusto mo lang. Pag air package ka, 10 direct referrals, bibigyan ka ng company ng another 10% matching bonus, hindi lang dun sa 10, kundi dun pa sa mga i-refer nung 10 na yan na maaaring hindi mo na kakilala. Every time they make money, you make 10% out of them. Third matching bonus level, kailangan air package pa rin with 15 direct referrals, you get 10% up to the third level. Fourth matching bonus level, water package ka na dapat with 20 directs, 10% up to the fourth level. Fifth matching bonus level, fire package ka dapat, 25 directs, meron kang 10% up to the fifth generation or fifth level. Kung saan mas maraming tao, no? Mas maraming 10% yan. So dito mo makikita ngayon yung advantage. Pag mas malaki yung package mo, hindi ka lang mas maraming C1 token, mas malaki pa rin ang matching bonus na matatanggap mo from the company. Ito yung tinatawag na yung konsepto ng leveraging. Hindi ka lang nakadepende sa sarili mong trabaho, kundi nakadepende ka rin sa trabaho ng maraming tao in your organization. Di ba? Hindi lang ikaw. It gives you an opportunity para kumita ng tinatawag na residual or passive income. Bakit? Kasi pag lumaki na yung organization mo, tapos madami nang kumikita dyan, dadating yung time, magbabakasyon ka, di ba? With your family. Habang nagbabakasyon ka, tapos biglang may kumita na member ng organization mo, no? From different parts of the world, no? Hindi mo ginagawa yung negosyo, nagbabakasyon ka, nag-golf ka, o kaya natutulog ka dun sa 5-star hotel, magkakaching yung cellphone mo dahil ibig sabihin, kumita ka ng 10% from the efforts of the people in your organization. Di ba? Napakaganda po. Ito po yung sinasabi ko kanina na, sinasabi ko palagi in our presentation that you have an opportunity to make money even while you're sleeping. Pero hindi sa simula, pagka na-establish mo na yung foundation ng negosyo natin. Okay? Next way to earn, fear of loss bonus, kung saan within our 14 days dito sa negosyo, pwedeng mabawi natin yung puhunan natin agad o kaya kumita pa tayo. No? Ang gagawin lang natin, kumuha tayo ng 4 na bagong members na kukuha din ng mga package na kinuha natin. No? For example, kumuha ka ng Earth package, nakakuha ka ng 4 na kumuha din ng Earth package, bibigyan na kagad tayo ng company ng cash reward bonus na 109 euros straight to your wallet, no, na nasa mobile phone mo. So 109 euros, ibig sabihin nabawi mo na yung puhunan mo, libre na yung mga nakuha mong produkto at serbisyo, C1 token at NFT doon sa Earth package mo. Tapos from the 14th day onwards, puro profit na ang iniisip natin. Pero pag mas malaking package ang kinuha mo, for example Air, tapos nakakuha ka ng 4 na kumuha din ng Air, mas malaki din ang fear of loss bonus mo, 299 euros. Pagka kumuha ka ng Water, nakakuha ng Water din yung 4 na nakuha mo, you get 799 euros. And pagka nakumuha ka naman ng Fire at lahat ng 4 na nakuha mo, kumuha din ng Fire, meron kang 2,499 euros. Kailangan lang yung package mo ay pareho o masigit pa doon sa package nung nirefer mo. Kung ang package mo ay Earth, tapos ang kinuha ng 4 Fire package, no, wag kang umasa ng 2,499 euros. Ang asahan mo ay 109 euros lang dahil Earth package lang naman yung kinuha mo, di ba? So importante 'yon. Kung hindi ka naman nakakuha ng 4 within 14 days, wag kang mag-alala, hindi ka tapusan ng negosyo mo 'yon dahil meron pang ibang bonuses na pwede mong kitain dito sa negosyo. For example, ito yung ultimate bonus na hinihintay natin, no, yung residual income natin. Parang monthly pension po ito, every month makukuha natin to from the company, pero ito po yung nakadepende sa performance natin. So ang gagawin ng company, yung 40% ng profit ng ating company based on the sales of our products all over the world, no? Ilalagay nila in a profit pool, no? Halimbawa, ilalagay nila yan sa isang box o ilalagay nila sa isang bayong, no? Kung magkano man yung pera doon sa bayong na yon, paghahati-hatihan natin lahat, pero nakadepende kung ano yung rango natin. Pwedeng team leader ka, coordinator ka, manager, director, president, senior president at ambassador. Meron din team leader 1 to 3 stars hanggang ambassador 1 to 3 stars. Paano mo mararating yung mga rango na yan? Ito lang po, no? Yung computer system natin, di ba, tinitignan yung left and right natin, bibilangin niya yung nagmamatch ng mga BP mo sa kaliwa at BP mo doon sa kanan, no? So kung ilan yung BP na yan, doon tataas yung rango mo. Umabot ng 500, team leader ka na. Umabot ng 5,000, coordinator ka, manager naman pagka 50,000, pagka director 500,000, and so on and so forth hanggang marating mo yung ambassador level. At hindi ka babalik sa zero, no? Paakyat lang yan ng paakyat, accumulative po yung mga BP natin, no? Kaya nga walang demotion, walang deranking po dito sa negosyo natin, no? So dito po, you could be earning a lot to your monthly residual income, parang monthly pension yan. Dahil nga, every month natin ito makukuha from the company. At dahil walang deranking, walang demotion, guaranteed ka on a monthly basis, makukuha mo yung residual income mo on that corresponding rank of yours. Diba? Now, ito yung bonus pa ng company. Every time we create a team leader. Siyempre, may team tayo, tutulungan natin sila. Every time na makakreate ka ng personal na team leader mo, no, under your organization, the company will give you even more C1 token, no? Every team leader 1 na makakreate mo, you get 500 extra C1 tokens. Kung nakakreate ka ng 10 team leader 1, edi meron kang 5,000 extra C1 tokens na makukuha. Imagine the value na makukuha mo dyan sa C1 tokens na yan, di ba? Now, meron din tayong rank booster. The companies will not run out of promotion, no, na makakatulong sa atin. Meron din tayong rank booster promotion. Depende sa package mo, binibigyan tayo ng company ng extra business points on every transactions, no? Pag Earth package, sorry, wala, no? Pero pagka yung mga ni-refer natin ay kumuha ng Air package, binibigyan tayo ng additional na 20% na business points, no? So for example, kung 10 business points na nakuha natin, additional 20%, meron kang additional 2, di ba? Additional 2 BP dyan. Kung 100, meron kang additional 20. Pag water naman, meron kang additional 40%. Pag fire package naman, meron kang additional 70%. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Mas bibilis yung pag-rank up natin. Mas bibilis na maabot natin yung desired na residual income na gusto natin makuha from the company, di ba? And it could be we could be talking about millions of pesos dito. Okay? So, now, yung company naman, meron ding requirement for us to get all the bonuses na pinakita ko po sa inyo. And that is through the activity points. Ano ba yung activity points? Ito po yung mga puntos na na-generate natin for purchasing the products and services ng ating company. For the meantime, we can generate activity points by purchasing yung Travelia natin o yung travel products natin, and of course yung Planet IX natin through subscription, no? So diyan natin makukuha yung activity points na yan. Ano ba yung requirement ng ating company? So again, these activity points from the products, kasi negosyo tayo, no? The products has to move or nobody gets paid. So ito po yung table na activity points na requirement ng ating company. Dalawa po ito, yung personal activity points mo at saka yung group activity points mo. Pag team leader ka, up to coordinator 3 stars, required ka lang ng company na magkaroon ng 5 activity points, no? 5 activity points lang po, maaring isang produkto lang po yan, no? Personal and group. So isa lang, personal and group. So pagka nakabili ka na ng isang produkto na 5 activity points, pasok ka na, no, dun sa mga bonuses na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. Pag manager ka naman, no, up to manager 3 stars, 5 activity points din, pero kailangan mo ng 10 group activity points. Pagka director ka naman, 5 activity points personal, 15 activity points group. Pagka president ka, palaki yan ng palaki hanggang maging ambassador level ka. Pero ito ngayon yung good news ng company, no? From November up to January 15, no? Tinatanggal ng company yung activity points na required from the team leader up to manager 3 stars. So ibig sabihin, wala nang kailangang 5 activity points, no? Kung team leader ka up to manager 3 stars. That is until January 15. Kaya samantalahin po natin. Imagine, hindi ka na kailangan bumili ng mga produkto at serbisyo pagkatapos mong sumali, no? Pero kikita ka pa rin ng mga bonuses na pinakita po natin sa inyo, no? Pero pagka director ka up to ambassador, you are still required, no, activity points, personal and group activity points. The company also have launched this incentive trip bonus, no, for 2024 weekend, wherein we can qualify for a trip to Maldives, no? Narinig niyo na ba yung Maldives? It's a paradise that siguro lahat ng tao nasa bucket list nila ang Maldives, no? Kasi napakaganda naman po talaga yung mga pictures na naglalabasan about Maldives, no? And every time someone goes to Maldives, talagang sinasabi nila na talagang paraiso po yung lugar na yan, no? So for you to qualify on this Maldives trip, you need to at least have 5 sign-ups, no, or upgrades, no, to water, to fire and fifth element package. At ang qualification period po natin ay from 9th of October up to 10th of January. Okay? Terms and conditions applied. Basahin lang po natin yung mga terms and condition, no, dun sa ating C1 back office natin. Okay? Now, kailan nga ba natin makikita itong C1 token na to? As I've mentioned, something big is about to come. Malapit na po ang launching natin. Meron na tayong roadmap. Dapat nung November 15, makukuha na natin yung airdrop natin ng C1 token. Pero dahil in-extend po yung free upgrade natin, na-extend din po yung airdrop claim natin, no? Pero in 2 days time, November 22, makukuha na po natin yung airdrop claim ng ating C1 token, and we will also be able to see the white paper po ng C1 token natin. Ibig sabihin, malalaman na natin, no, kung paano ba ang gagawin natin sa mga C1 token natin, paano ba natin mako-convert yung ating mga Cloud1 rewards and loyalty points to C1 token, no? And in the next 3 to 6 months, no, diyan na natin makikita yung official launching natin, no, hanggang quarter 2 po ng 2024. Pero yung official token launch po natin will be in the quarter 1 of 2024, which is, no, from January up to March, dahil yan po yung bullish market pagdating sa mga cryptocurrency. Ibig sabihin, inaasahan po ng company that the cryptocurrency value, no, ng mga Bitcoin, which is the parameter ng lahat ng cryptocurrency, ay tataas po. Kaya sasabayan natin yung bullish, sasabayan ng company yung pag-launch ng C1 token natin, yung bullish market na yan. Okay? So, yan po yung ating C1 token. So, naibigay ko na po sa inyo lahat ng information na kailangan nyo for you to understand this opportunity, maintindihan natin yung C1 token. No? Sana ay naiintindihan nyo na. But if the information is not enough for you, don't worry. Habang ginagawa nyo itong negosyo na to, nandyan po yung mga araw-araw na training na pwede nyo ma-access, no? From our Zoom presentations to the YouTube tutorials ng mga top leaders and executives ng ating company, plus the leaders ng ating negosyo, no? Plus you also have our educational platforms like Mindo, plus yung C1 dashboard natin or back office natin. Okay? So hindi ka mawawalan ng ways, no, to be able to learn, no, lahat ng information about this opportunity. Kaya magiging expert ka dito in no time. Now, paano ka makakapagsimula dito sa negosyo? First, you need to join C1, of course, no? You have to be in it to win it. Yung nag-invite sa inyo, o yung i-invite nyo, you need to send them the invitation link or QR code para makapag-sign up sila, no? At pag nakapag-sign up sila, they can claim the products and they can also share the products and services, no? I-recommend natin yung products and services natin, mag-build tayo ng customer base, mag-build din tayo ng team of business partners natin, yung mga entrepreneurial mindset like you, no? Yung mga taong gusto rin kumita ng extra income, yung mga taong naapektuhan ng gusto ng pandemic crisis, hanggang ngayon nararamdaman nila yung epekto niyan dahil sa nagtataas ang presyo ng mga bilihin, no? Huwag nating ipagkait yung opportunity natin. Pakita natin sa kanila yung plano, yung opportunity, just like the way I'm showing it to you right now, no? Invite nyo sila sa mga webinars natin o kaya padalan nyo ng 4-minute video natin, di ba? Send nyo lang sa mga messenger nila, talk to them, sabihin nyo, meron ka bang 4 minutes to watch a video? Kasi parang napakaganda nitong opportunity na nakita ko, no? And then after 4 minutes, tawagan mo sila, pag-usapan nyo yung video, baka may mga question siya, no? And then get them to sign up in the business. Number 4, then you start getting the rewards, no? Yung mga bonuses and incentives na naka-allot para sa mga active and proactive affiliates natin. Now, let me give you some steps to success, no? Kung paano ka maging successful dito. Number 1, choose the right package for yourself. Kung kaya mo rin lang, start with the biggest package. Kasi you get the maximum potential income, you get the maximum number of C1 token, no? Pero kung hindi kaya, mas importante makapagsimula ka, kumuha ka lang ng Earth package for 7,700 pesos, no? And then upgrade yourself later on. Number 2, activate your wallet and products, no? Gamitin mo yung mga produkto at serbisyo mo and then i-share natin yan. Number 3, go for your fear of loss bonus. Pilitin mo na makakuha ka ng 4 within 14 days. Kasi pag nagawa mo yan at nagawa din ng mga tao in your organization, alam mo ba na posible kang kumita ng more than 1 million pesos in just 3 months time? 90 days. Have you ever earned 1 million pesos in 3 months time? Dito, posible yan, no? Sundin mo lang yung sinasabi ng company natin. Number 4, contact your key people, no? Sino ba yung mga prospects mo dito? Everyone. Do not discriminate. Don't make decisions for other people, no? All you need to do is to show the business to all of them, no? Basta 18 years old and above siya, pwede sila dito sa negosyo na to. Huwag mo sasabihin na, uy, hindi niya kailangan to. Uy, walang pera yan, hindi yan pwede dito, no? Do not discriminate. You'll never know kung sino ang pwede maging successful sa negosyo na to. Minsan kung sino pa yung least expected mo, sila pa yung siseryosohin yung negosyo, sila yung kikita na malaki dito sa negosyo. Number 5, attend the webinars and events, no? Kaya namin ginagawa itong webinars na ito para matulungan kayo na mag-build ng sariling organization nyo, no? Some of the leaders dito, they can stop doing the presentation and they still continue to make money out of this business, no? Pero they're still doing the presentation para matulungan din naman kayo na makapag-build ng sarili nyong organization. So attend the webinars, attend the events, and then more importantly, duplicate these 5 steps to your organization. Hindi lang dapat ikaw ang gumagawa ng 5 steps na to, kundi pati lahat ng members ng organization mo. And with doing that, by doing that, you will be able to build a huge and stable organization that will determine the size of your income dito sa negosyo na to. Okay? So, nasa harapan nyo na yung opportunity. Ang tanong na lang, anong gagawin nyo sa opportunity na yan? No? Sabi ni Richard Branson, no? If somebody offers you an amazing opportunity but you are not sure you can do it, say yes. Then learn how to do it later. Some of you will probably jump into the business straight away dahil ayaw nilang ma-miss out yung opportunity, ayaw nilang mahuli, ayaw nilang magpatumpik-tumpik. But some of you will probably let the questions in their mind to delay their decision, no? Magpapatumpik-tumpik, no? Bubusisiin na mabuti yung negosyo, kaliit-liit ang detalye, no? And then before hindi nila and then later on pag nakapag-decide na sila, tapos na pala yung perfect timing to become part of the business. Kasi inabot ng siyam-siyam, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, no? Tapos yung iba pa, to see is to believe, no? Gusto nila makita nila yung kaibigan nila kumikita na ng malaki bago sila sumali, no? Mapapag-iwanan po kayo, no? What is there to lose? Yun lang po ang question natin, no? When I joined the business, dalawa lang question ko. What have I got to lose? Nothing. Di ba? Magbabayad ako ng 7,700. Meron naman akong makukuhang value for my money. Parang bumili lang ako ng products na pwede kong gamitin. I can play Planet IX. I can play yung Emperor Knights, no? I can use the travel portal. Lahat yan pwede, di ba? Pero yung second question, no? What have I got to miss? Di ba? Paano kung mag-click yung opportunity? Eh di na-miss out ko yung opportunity, no? Paano kung mag-click yung opportunity? I could have secured my financial freedom, my time freedom, di ba? Kaya lang, nagduda ako, natakot ako, no? O kaya, nanghinayang ako dun sa 7,700 pesos, di ba? If somebody offers you an amazing opportunity but you are not sure you can do it, say yes, then learn how to do it later. Don't let the questions and doubt in your mind stop you from doing a very worthy opportunity like this, no? So nandito na po yung opportunity, pinoprovide sa atin ng very generous company. Ang gagawin mo na lang, i-build mo na yung opportunity na to build the tomorrow that you want. The question is, anong klaseng bukas ba yung gusto mo para sa sarili mo at para sa pamilya mo, no? So I strongly encourage you to get started now. Huwag na kayo magpatumpik-tumpik, especially that there are promotions, no, sponsored by the company na pwede nyo i-take advantage of, no? Maraming salamat po for joining us today. Ito po muli si Paul de Guzman from Pilipinas, nagsasabing daig ng maagap ang masipag. Thank you very much po.
Ayun, grabe. Pilipinas. Ayun, grabe.